Hello listeners, the week has treated pretty well the bulls. All the 5 trading sessions we managed to close in the green. Now, as I told you last week that we need to close above 19,600 to 650 levels for the next up move to start. Now, I am pretty confident that in the upcoming week we would cross the all-time highs easily. And I won't be surprised to see 20,500 levels in the next few trading sessions. So, what is driving this rally and the positive market sentiment? I believe that the news flows which is expected to come out from the G20 summit is driving this rally. Now, there are many sectors which we need to keep on radar, especially the infrastructure pack, the energy pack, the defense sector stocks, and railways, shipping. So, most of these sectors are looking good from the expected news flows from the G20 summit. So keep all these on radar for the next week. Also, today the RBI has announced that it would phase out the incremental CRR by October 7. Now, this is likely to bring liquidity into the banking system ahead of the festive season. So again, this is a very good news for banking sector stocks, and keep an eye on HDFC Bank. Another sector which is looking good to us is the IT sector. We believe that most of the negative news flows is already discounted in this price. So, any further depreciation in rupee from this point in time would be positive for IT sector stocks. Also, a pertinent question at this point in time on everyone's mind is, will the rally of mid and small cap stocks stall? I believe that it has further legs to move ahead. Why? Because historically, if I look at the data, it shows me that the small cap index had underperformed the Nifty benchmark over the 2018 to 2022 period. So, a lot of time correction had happened in small cap stocks. So, there are select pockets of mid and small cap stocks still which are very attractive from a valuation per se. So, keep an eye on those. Also, some of the large cap names are looking ripe to start their next up move. So, as I told you earlier, keep an eye on HDFC Bank. The other would be Reliance and ITC. So, any negative things which we need to keep an eye on? Yes. 2. The first one is the crude oil prices which are hovering close to 90 USD per barrel. And the second one is any further depreciation in rupee would not be positive for an oil import driven economy like India. Any data points which are coming out next week to keep an eye on? Again, yes. 2. One is consumer price inflation from India, and the other is consumer price inflation from the US. So overall, I believe that the next week would again treat the bulls fairly well. So happy investing. That's all from my side, listeners. Thank you.